Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today we are going to cook Chinese okra with shrimp and glass noodles. Chinese okra is a very popular vegetable in Asia. It's commonly known as xingqua or siqua in Chinese. It has a long shape with dark green skin and deep narrow ridges. It's best to be used in soup because of its foamy flesh inside. Always pick young, firm yet yield flexibility when shaking it gently. Older ones tend to have tougher fibered seeds and bitter taste. The skin is edible. Use a kitchen cloth and gently wash off the dust and dirt. Peel off the hard part of the ridges. Leave some of the skin on will add a crunchy layer to the texture. Trim off the ends. Simply cut, rotate by 180 degrees, and cut again. The rolling cutting technique creates more surface areas to the pieces for better soup absorption. We will now take a look at the rest of the ingredients. 1 small pack of glass noodles. Soak it in water until it gets softened. Use a pair of scissors to cut the noodles a few times to shorten the length. I have 8 shrimps here. Peel off the shell and devein. Save the shell for later use. Marinate the shrimps with 1/5 teaspoon of salt and some white peppers. Dried chilies, ginger, Sichuan peppercorns, half shallots, and some green onions. And that's all the ingredients. Okay, let's start cooking. Add the spice in the pan over medium heat to get the flavors out in the oil. Take them out when they turn brown. All the flavors are now in the oil. Pan fry the shrimp until they turn colors. Take them out for later use. To get the flavor out of the shells, saute until they turn color. Add 3 cups of water. Ginger goes well with Chinese okra. Add more if you like ginger taste. Simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the shells and the ginger. Put the Chinese okra in the soup. Bring it to boil and cook for 3 to 5 minutes in medium heat. Add in the glass noodle. Return the shrimp and cook for another minute to blend the flavors together. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. The glass noodles and the Chinese okra are soft and fully absorb the flavor of the soup. Look at the shrimps. They were cooked just right. Take a bite into the shrimp, you would taste a mild spiciness. It's crunchy and tender. You got to finish the soup because it has all the flavors in it. Garnish with some green onions and it's ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.